Go.
Hi, I'm Don Prochel. I'm a Director of Corporate Relations at UT Dallas, and I work on the UTDesign Capstone program. With us today is Riyaz Muhammad, who works with corporate technology and innovation for the Murata Corporation, based in Japan and with a local office not too far from our campus right here. So, Riyaz, tell us about yourself and Murata.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for the great introduction. So Murata is a global technology company. We do a lot of components, modules, and we are always looking at, we call ourselves innovatives in electronics. And the corporate technology and innovations team is exactly enabling that, what Murata should be doing the next 5 to 10 years. What are the new technologies we have to enable, we have to, acquire, or we have to help others. So we have multiple teams within corporate technology and innovations, working with startups, working with university labs, and working with even customers, in
Okay,
terms of
okay.
technologies.
So, what was it that motivated you to sponsor and mentor a capstone team?
So thank you. So basically, we in our team, as I said, we have multiple themes of working, and one theme is to promote STEM education and work with universities just to make sure, because these engineers are going to create the new world, and we are all doing good as long as tomorrow's world is doing good. So Murata believes that these engineers will create new business ideas, new technology, which will in effect help Murata also. So we are always looking for those engagement with budding engineers.
Excellent, excellent. So, how would you describe your experience with the capstone team?
Well, fantastic. Put it in a single word. But to put in more words, actually, we had an imagination. I had an imagination which I wrote it up. I had no way to prove it out. I mean, because it involved a lot of hardware, software, all of that. And when I heard about Capstone project, I submitted this idea to Capstone project. And there it is. A year later, I got the hardware, I got the software, I can show a demo, and they did a lot more on that. They did. The project was basically to predict the number of people in a particular facility, looking at the carbon dioxide measurement, and it's very promising results they have brought forward. In the 1 year of working, as you know, machine learning and artificial intelligence improves as we add more and more data, but we got a very good foundation.
So, in what way would you say that the team helped to advance the development of new products or technology with Murata?
So as I said, we are looking for 5 to 10 years ahead of time. So it could be newer ideas, new product, new business ideas. It might not become a Murata business as it is, which we are fine with that, as long as those ideas are coming to fruition. That's all. That's what matters. And it could be that one of the projects that we sponsor, some of the students can find it as a startup idea and they can do it. So there are different ways of doing it. So this particular project is a long-term, long-short one, and the idea, this one, uh, no one has really done it this far for using carbon dioxide for predicting, occupancy. Many people in this COVID times are looking at measuring occupancy. We are going a step ahead.
Excellent, excellent. So, in what other ways do you want to engage with UT Dallas beyond Capstone?
Oh yeah, we actually started working with IEEE, and we did a fall, we did a spring program, what we call a March with Murata. So this month of March, every Monday, we had a technical session, and we brought our innovators, and talked about newer products. These are products which are not in the market today. So many of our customers haven't heard about them, but your students heard about them. So, and we plan to do similar one in fall, which we have a different name for it. But this will be repeating every fall and every spring. We want to do something which will enrich the knowledge base, the skill base of your engineers.
So, were these sessions fairly well attended?
I think it was very well attended.
Okay, so these engagements with the students helps to build your brand when you want to recruit and hire students when they graduate.
Definitely, yes. I mean, not only that, it's basically they become aware of what Murata is, what Murata can. So either they can work for Murata, or they could be a customer in future.
Sure.
Because whichever company they're working on, they need to get electronic components, and we could be, their vendors. So there are different ways we can expand that relationship.
Sure. Well, we at UT Dallas look forward to being a long-term strategic partner with Murata, and we look forward to lots more engagement opportunities in the years ahead.
Same here, same here. Entire Murata is looking for that.
Excellent.
Thank you.